A, like in this word, A. A. B, like in this word, B. V, like here, V. G, like here, G. D, D. Ye, like sounds these two words in this word, yes, ye. First and second are letter together, ye. Yo, like here, yo, yo. Let's repeat. A, B, V, G, D, Ye, yo. J, pleasure, like here, S sounds like J. Z, like here, Z. E, like here, sounds two letters. Two letters E sounds like E. E, I, И краткое. Йо, йо. И, К, like here, К. Л, Л, Л. М, М. Ж, З, И, К, Л, М. Н, like here, Н, Н. О, like here, О. П, like in this word, П. R, like here, R. S, like here, S. T, like here, T. U, like here sounds two letters O. Sound U. U. Let's repeat. N, O, P, R, S, T, U. F, like here, F, F. H, like here the letter H sounds H. There, seats. Like here, the latest letters TS sounds like ts. Chair. Like here, two letters sound CH. Chair, sound chair. Chair. Sha, sha. S and H sound like sh. Sha. Sha, sha. Ship, ship. Твердый знак, твердый знак. It's hot sign, твердый знак. Ил, мягкий знак. Soft sign, мягкий знак. Like here the letter E sounds, mat. U, the letter U here sounds like U, use, U. Ya, like two letter sounds, first and second letters, Y and I together sounds like ya, ya. This is the last word in Russian alphabet. А теперь посмотрим, как звучат слоги. Ба, ва, га, да, жа, за, ка, ла, ма, на, па, ра, са, та. Let's repeat. Ба, ва, га, да, жа, за, ка, ла, ма, на, па, ра, са, та. Фа, ха, ца, ча, ша, ща. Фа, ха, ца, ча, ша, ща. Бе, ве, ге, де, же, зе, ке, ле, ме, не, пе, ре, се, те. Бе, ве, ге, де, же, зе, ке, ле, ме, не, пе, ре, се, те. Фе, хе, те, че, ше, ще. Фе, хе, це, че, ше, ще. I wish you everyone good luck. Я желаю всем удачи в изучении русского языка. Всем до встречи, пока-пока. See you next time. Bye-bye.